Hey friends, today I'll show you 10 beginner-friendly hairstyles for long or medium hair. To create these fantastic voluminous waves, I used one of the coolest heat tools, NuMe Pentacle 2-in-1 curling wand and deep waver. It comes with a glove and instructions. Make sure to use the glove. This tool heats up so quickly. So much this tool because it makes my hair not frizzy but so shiny even though we are making waves. Guys, make sure to check out the info bar for the information in case you're interested in this tool. It's so amazing and so fun. The process of making waves basically is so simple. I am dividing my hair into 3 sections as I'm waving my hair. This is kind of easy for me. I'm bringing my hair all in the front so I can see what I'm doing, and also guys, I'll wave my bangs as well. Even though these bangs are really short, I'm using the deep side up to create volume for my bangs as well too. Also, I recommend you to do the same on top side when you are making the waves. So this way you'll create this voluminous effect of the waves, okay? And guys, if you want me to make a voluminous 90s inspired fake blowout effect using this tool, let me know in comments down below, so I'll make a tutorial on that as well. When our luxury hair is ready, okay, if your hair is curly or wavy, you can skip the steps, but now I'm so happy, and let's begin our hairstyles. For the first voluminous half updo, we want to select our top crown section, tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to make an opening and topsytail it. Now you want to gather 2 sections from both sides of your parting and bring them under your topsytail created and tie it with a clear elastic again. Then you want to grab this ponytail and bring it through the opening of the first topsytail, tighten your topsytail, and your voluminous half updo is ready. Next, what a nice chance to make that voluminous bubble ponytail. So we want to gather all our hair into a middle or low ponytail, but make sure your crown section is voluminous. Tie it with a clear elastic or any other elastic that you like. Then you want to select a section from your ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to hide it. Guys, this is optional, okay? And I'll use this topsytail loop, or you can tuck it into the elastic underneath. Now you want to tie your second elastic, and then you want to pull your bubble. Make it nice and voluminous. And again, third elastic, pull your bubble, and repeat if you have long hair like I do. If not, you can stop here with only 2 bubbles. Next one, we want to tie our hair like into a low ponytail. But on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through like that. Grab the ends and bring it to one side and make a simple 3-strand braid. Now using this braid, we want to cover our elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath the ends like that. If you need, you can use some bobby pins to fix your braid in place. we want to select our crown section, tie it with a clear elastic, pull your hair on last time halfway through, leave the ends down. Then you want to select two sections from both sides of your parting, bring them over your created half ponytail, tie it with a clear elastic. You want to twist this ponytail, make a loop, then you want to bring your hand through the opening and bring your bun through it and tighten it. Done! Next, you want to select two chunky sections from both sides, bring them back and twist them 3 times. So basically 1, 2, and this is 3rd time. And then you want to bring these ends under the rest of your hair and tie it with a clear elastic to create this voluminous ponytail. Gathering all your hair into a low ponytail, you want to twist it and bring it up like that using your palm. You want to loop your top section and bring it up. The rest, you want to use some grips and bobby pins to fix it well in place. First of all, I'm using grips because this will hold my hair in place better. Firstly, and don't forget guys to pin it horizontally, this way it will hold your hair in place. Now you want to arrange beautifully your bun, pull it a bit to make it voluminous and beautiful. Guys, this is the trendiest bun ever. Try to recreate it and you'll thank me later. Select your crown section. I'll use the Topsytail tool, but you can tuck it into the elastic the ends when making your ponytail. Now you want to add more hair to this ponytail and tie your second elastic. On last time, just twist your elastic, hold it with your hand and make a bubble with this section like I'm showing. When your bubble is ready, pull your hair halfway through. Grab a section of hair from underneath of your ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to hide it and tuck it into the elastic underneath, and your bubble half updo is ready. Next, you want to gather all your hair into a low ponytail. Make an opening and bring this ponytail through it. Tighten it well, loosen a bit your crown section, make a 3-strand braid with this ponytail. Tie it halfway. On last time, pull your hair halfway through. Loosen your braid. Grabbing this loop, you want to bring it through your opening. Tighten and pin it using bobby pins, okay, to fix it well in place. And your elegant braided bun is ready. So voluminous and so beautiful. Select two sections from both sides of your part, bring them back, twist it a bit and tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to topsytail it and pull it. So you want to repeat, select two sections from both sides, bring them over your ponytail, tie it and topsytail it and pull it, and your half UpDo is ready. What a nice way to spice up your curly hair, right? Next, select your top section, incorporating the sides as well. You want to tie it using a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring this ponytail through this opening. Pull it a bit, make it full and voluminous. Then grabbing the rest, you want to use another elastic. Tie your ponytail on last time, pull your hair halfway through again. Grabbing the ends, you want to twist it. Cover your elastic with this twist. I'll wrap it several times because I have long hair today, and I'll tuck it into the elastic the ends. If you need, you can use some bobby pins, but I don't need them. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe. Let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles is actually your favorite. But that's it for today, and love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Bye!